Hello and welcome to the Green Pakistan Digital Hub. Today we will discuss about a platform about online earning. This platform name is Investify.agency. Let's start it without further ado. Now here I will search again for you Investify.agency, and after this you will see the website here. Homepage of the website is like this, and here are three things: investment plans, user dashboard, and next one is create your account and got $9 bonus free now. In this website you will get $9 free in start. Okay, without an investment you will get $9 in start. So let's move on to the website. Second step is a banner: 110% profit on diamond, 2 days offer only, invest now, and like this. Then the next thing is invest smartly, grow securely, invest now, like this. This is a very professional website. I think it's a UK website. A UK based company is running this website. Your team about us of this company, and everything is mentioned in this site. A homepage, CEO and consultants and CTO, senior manager, every responsible persons is mentioned in this website. Okay, here is the total active users, revenue generated, happy clients, each and everything is mentioned in this website homepage. Okay, now without further ado, we will discuss about how we can create account and how we investment on these platforms. So first of all, we will create our account. So click on the create your account and get $9 bonus free now. After clicking on this, you will get this is my old account informations where is mentioned in this platform, but now I will create a new account for you, just to tell you how you can create a new account. So this is a create an account page. So here I will put the name, any username you want to mention in this, you can put this. I already have an account. So emails we will put our original email, because after the putting emails we will verify the email address. Okay, here my country is Pakistan, so I will select the Pakistan, and you will select your country where you are living. So this is the Pakistan. So then I will put a number, and then password. And then confirm password, then register. I think my internet issue, that's why it's taking too much time. Okay, to activate account, please check your email for verification link. So my account is created, just verification is remaining, so I will go to the email and I will verify my email address. So here's the email in inbox. Sometime it will goes to the spam folder. You also must check the spam folder, and sometime it goes to the all emails and inbox. You can check this. Investify.agency team's email is here. So here is the link. So just click on this link. It's a verification process only. Just clicking on this link. After clicking on this, you will go to the redirect or login page. Verification success. You may log in now. Okay. Now we will go for the login page and login. And after the login security verification, it will show us our dashboard of user dashboard. Here's the home page. Now we will click on the user dashboard and then click on again login button, and then it will redirect to the user page. Account not verified yet. Oh sorry, it's another name. I just click on 12. This is my username. After second time of clicking login page, then I will open the user account dashboard. Okay, so this is my dashboard of this website. Here are many options. First of all, I will get the $9 deposit bonus, which is mentioned on the website. So there's the account balance, and then we have a section of deposit and withdraw. And first of all, we will discuss about the investments. I repeat this again. I am already getting withdrawals from this website. I have another account of this. I'm just opening a new account for your clarification and for you just how to open and create account. So that's why I open a new account. Otherwise, I have an account where I am putting my investments. I am getting withdrawals from here. I will show you in next video, inshallah. So this is the investments dashboard. When we click on investment now, then we will see again investment plans which are mentioned already in a home page or investment plan screens in a website. Here is further scheduled investment. If you want investment in the future, then we will go for the scheduled investment. So this is the investment plans. First of all, Bronzy, it's a 30 days plans, $1 per day. So it means we will get a $30 after investing $10. So we have already $9 in account. Just putting $1, we will purchase this plan of $10. After $10 investment, we will get $1 per day. It means $30 in a month. So here is the total return, capital plus 30 USD. It means that we will return $40. Our investment is also back after the 30 days and $30 in profit also. So by this plan we will just get $40 with investment of only $1 because we have already $9 in our account balance. Okay, after $1 we will get $40 after a month. So here's another plan of the diamond. Here we will get 110%. It means 110% of profit ratio of diamond. But it's I think a huge investment taking. It's a very big profit, very big investment plans, and it will get a maximum earning on this of 110%. It means that if we will purchase at 2500 plans, so then we will get a reward of $2750 in return with capital, so it will make a $5250 in return. So next is Amazon. Here we will get $40 every month for 6 months. If we invest $7 and the $1500 between any value, we will get the $40 of that value every month for 6 months. And then here is the Apple. Here is also same procedure of for 6 months, $20 every month for next upcoming 6 months. And the crude oil is the 15% of 6 months, means that every month we will get 15% of our investment, and after 6 months we will get our capital and plus our investment also back. So here is the silver 7% and gold 8%. Hope you guys understand this investment plans. You will invest on this and get the ratio of percentage of the profit which is mentioned here. So now we move for the pool. I think you understand about the schedule investment. Now we will go for the pool. Pool section has different plans. Sometimes it shows one plan or 2, 3, 4, anything. So here is a Hyundai plan where you can invest only ₹1 and also invest which you want. So I make investment of $1 here. Pool section basically is about 100% profit to investment, and successfully I invest my $1 and now I have $8 in my account balance. So I added $1 in this. So after this time period, return date mentioned here, so I will get the double price of my investment value. Okay, hope you guys understand this. This is the single plan now in the pool section, but with the passage of time it shows several types of plans of pools. Okay, you guys just update this and check it time to time. So now we have a deposit section. Let's discuss this deposit section. When we click on the deposit section, it show this screen. Select gateway. When we click on the Binance, we just put here a value. For example, I'm putting 100, and then I will put submit. After this, here are some details of our transactions. You can must read this. So after this, we will get a Binance QR code. So after scanning this and putting the value we are mentioned in previous $100, okay, and then we just pay the value, and after this you put a transaction ID of your value. So then pay now, okay, and pay now, and then it will show a time period after 5 minutes or 4 minutes for your approval. If they will verify your transactions, if they get the value which you mentioned here, then it will approve your value and payment. Okay, so let's make here payment and then check the how much time it will approve. Okay, let's make a payment. So 1 minute before I just make this payment, and after 1 minute it's approved. So here you can see the $20 is deposited in my account. So now my balance is $28. Okay. Hope you guys understand about the deposit section. So here's the withdraw section. We will discuss this now. So just open it. After withdraw section, I will tell you how we can invest on plans and how we will get the profit. So this is the withdraw funds screen. So here we will select about the select payment. Binance Sada Pay is for the Pakistani persons and the Binance is for everyone. So if you have a Sada Pay, then we will transact this amount in Sada Pay, and otherwise you will use the Binance. Okay, after clicking on the Sada Pay, I will put amount on this. So any amount which I want to withdraw of my interest wallet. Now we have a zero balance in interest. You just put this value and then submit, and after this he will ask you about the account number of your transactions. So then we will put about the our account number and submit, and after this we will get our withdraw in 2 hours only. 2 hours is the maximum range. It will give you only in 1 minute or 2 minutes also. So then further we will go for the investment plans and check how we can invest on the plans. After this I will tell you about the referral systems and how we can make money from the referrals. So now I have zero investment, so click on invest now. So here I just go for the first page of first plan. So here first of all I will select the deposit wallet, and after this investment amount here is mentioned $10, and then auto schedule invest. I just if click on the schedule, then it will ask about date, schedule for and afters, but I will click on invest now and then click on yes. So if you want to make a schedule payment, then you can put a date here and schedule your payments, but I will click on this invest now just for you to how you can invest on the plans. Okay, invest to plan successfully, here you can see. So now we will go for the referral systems, how you can make money from the referrals. So this is the referral section. Here you can just copy this link of your referrals, and you can spread it everywhere in your relatives and the friend circles. After joining your referrals, any persons, you will get 10% profit of his joining. And after the sub coordinates, and I mean to say that if your referrals will go for the second referral, then you will get the 8% of also a second persons. Okay, hope you guys will understand with the passage of time, and after the making the team, it's just a game of team, so it's a very big hierarchy. So I'm giving my link in description. You just go for the my link, and after clicking on my link you will get $9 in deposit balance and also get the bonus. Okay, so I'm just giving this link in description. You just please guys follow on this link, and after this clicking you just make account. Okay, if a team is very big, then we will achieve a big targets and big bonuses in our ranking. If our ranking this is the ranking section. If in the ranking section every big team will get a very big bonuses. Now we have a zero ranking because we are freshers. After making teams we will get a best rank in this, and after getting the best rank in this team we will get a different types of gifts like a bike and a car and something else about this. So just make your team and also get the huge in gifts. Okay, hope you guys understand this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question about this video, you can ask in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.